Murang bahay ba ang hanap mo? For only 7,200 per month, pwede ka nang magkaroon ng sarili mong bahay. Only here at Grand Sycamore Heights, Santa Maria, Bulacan. This is our VQ1 model. So this is a lofted house. Marami pa po tayong mga available na lot area. Meron po tayong mga corner lots. Meron din tayong inner. And we also have our end lot. So kung gusto nyo pong makapili ng inyong magandang lot area, please do call us on the number on your screen para makapagpa-reserve po kayo ng inyong unit. And makapili po kayo ng magandang area. So, as you can see, malaki po ang ating kalsada dito and marami pa po kayong pagpipilian na unit. This is a sample of our end unit. So, meron po tayong malalaking lot area. So, meron po tayong 60 square meter. Meron pa po tayong more than 60 square meters. This is the actual turnover of our VQ1 model. So, as you can see, malaki po ang ating area. And lofted po ito. So, meaning to say, pwede nyo po itong palagyan ng second floor. Naka-provision po siya. Meron po siyang mga biga na naka-design para kung gusto nyo pong lagyan ng second floor. So, as you can see, marami pong window sa ating unit para for natural light and ventilation. So, pwede nyo rin pong tanggalin ang room na yan kung gusto nyo pong lumaki ang inyong living area. This is our toilet and bath. Complete water fixtures na po siya. And this is our kitchen counter. And aside from that, we also have our space dito po sa ating likod. We have your setback. So, pwede nyo po siyang gamitin for your laundry area or for your kitchen expansion. Since bare type ang turnover ng ating unit, I'm going to show you a sample renovation na ginawa sa kanilang unit, same as dito sa ating unit sa Grand Sycamore. Tingnan nyo po kung gaano nila napaganda ang kanilang unit from bare type to this. Diba po, sobrang elegante at napakaganda. Yan po ang kagandahan ng bare type. Meron po kayong freedom kung paano nyo po pagagandahin ang inyong sariling bahay. For only 5,000 pesos, you can reserve your unit now. Marami rin po tayong amenities inside the subdivision. At ang pinakamaganda dito is magkakaroon po ng school sa loob ng ating subdivision. For site viewing, we have everyday tripping here at Grand Sycamore. Please call me on the number on your screen para ma-schedule natin ang inyong site tripping. We also have other model houses na meron pong sariling parking. So if you want to see the actual model house, please do call me on the number on your screen. See you po!